तारीख म्हणजे बरोबर 25 दिसांनी हे इलेक्शन आमकां फक्त 13 दीस प्रचाराक दिल्या हांव एक्सेप्ट करता इलेक्शन कमिशनान जे नोटिफिकेशन काढला ते 13 तारीख पर्यंत 13 दिसांचे जे आमकां प्रचाराक दिल्या ते सुद्दां हांव एक्सेप्ट करता बट I want to bring to the notice of Election Commission of India and Goa that the dates given by them to fill the form from the candidates as really troublesome. And the dates, even though they say that 21 to 28 is the dates for filling of the form for nominations of the candidate, I personally feel Election Commission of India along with election branch of Election Commission Goa not studied properly at such 3 dates which are 22nd is Saturday, 23 is Sunday and 26th is the 26th January of India. आमचो वेगळो दीस 26 जानेवारी and because of that it will be difficult for the candidates to fill their nominations for the assembly election of Goa 2022.